Heat, drought, floods, and wildfires are weakening California lands that store carbon. Nature-based solutions restore land to capture carbon and reduce climate risk. Dos Rios, previously a sprawling farm, is becoming a restored floodplain. More than 2,000 acres are being restored into wetlands and forests. These lands absorb water, recharge groundwater, support wildlife, and build climate resilience. Projects like Dos Rios are made possible by state and private investment.